tonight. Most of central Ohio is looking at about a ½ inch up to an inch.
Well, let's not get carried away, especially since yesterday at the local supermarket, while standing in the pasta aisle, I met up with an Italian who was holding in his hand a jar of vodka pasta sauce. Our eyes met, the sparks began to fly, and we ended with a hug, and I think we almost broke out in an opera. I'm not kidding, but let me just continue with another great find. Well, of course, he's on his way back to Sicily, but you know, another great find yesterday at the supermarket, zucchini bread. So I've been interested in zucchini bread for many years, but my other news is, okay, so now I don't have to bake it, it's at my local supermarket, is along with bringing color into the house with Valencia oranges, or, well, moving right along, it's a beautiful color, is the songbooks and the sheet music that are due to arrive on Monday. That's 5 days. So on that note, dear friends, I am hoping that you have a wonderful day, that there is some great music to listen to today. Maybe you plan to practice, or maybe you're shoveling snow. So on that note, I am going back to what I was doing before I started this podcast, which was rearranging furniture in my kitchen. Thank you for listening. Keep a song in your heart. You're in my heart today, dear friends.